hell are them things? Didn't really get a good look at them, but I don't want to touch it. I'm going through one of the second marshes. I don't usually head this way, but I thought I would today. More of them purple things back here too. Seem to like to grow with a rotten tree. Yeah. The mosquitoes are just tearing me up. I stay in one spot for more than 5 seconds. They get me. What are these things? I've never seen these before. Yeah, I know everywhere is picture perfect, isn't it? You'd be surprised what you find if you just get up and go walk in your forest and woods or whatever is near your house and check out what's there. I'm surprised every time I come out here. How do I get through here? See, now I'm getting lost. Okay, I think it's... Where's that weird tree? It's about 6, a little after 6 now. The noise you hear is from the gun range. What the hell? I know this goes through. I know it does. Which way? Oh, it's this way. I might have to go back. That's beautiful. Okay. Well, I've been looking all over for these. And there they are. I have to cut this short. I need some pictures.